Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, cloth seats, Toyota Entune. Make a great choice today with 2012 Prius. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.